Guys, so I'm doing something a little different right now. I'm doing a vlog because that's something I've wanted to do for a while, and also it's finals week, so maybe, you know, maybe something cool will happen. Anyway, so I am currently on my way to the library. Today is Monday, it's about 8 o'clock, and I'm going to the library because I need to study really bad because I have a test in the morning and I have not studied. So I have a final tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and then I have one on Wednesday. And Wednesday is also the day I move out of my dorm because I'm still living on campus. And also Wednesday, after I move out, I'm getting my eyebrows and my eyelashes tinted, which I'm really excited about because that is something that I have never done before. I'm really hoping it's not too busy, but it is finals week. Finals week. So I'm hoping there's not too many people there, but there probably will be. So I'm done at the library. I'm in the elevator. I did not get as much studying done as I wanted to because there were a lot of people there. It was really loud and I was just really unmotivated. So it's now almost 10 o'clock, so I was there for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I'm just gonna go back to my room now. So I just got done taking my final for chemistry. I was so worried about it, but the test was exactly the review, which is really great. I know I made an A on it, so I don't know what that means for my final grade, because this is the only class I'm making a B in, sadly. But yeah, I feel good. Alright, so I'm back in my room. I just took my test. Again, I feel pretty good about it. I might be able to pull out an A in this class. I'm like kind of on the border, which is sad because it's my only class that I'm making a B in. I'm making A's in all of my other ones. So today my main goal is to pack because I am leaving tomorrow, so I'm moving out tomorrow, so I have to like clean out everything and pack everything up. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm probably going to pack and get some things sorted, and then Gavin and I will probably get lunch. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It is 8:30 in the morning. Okay, so I'll probably just pack and do my own thing until lunchtime, and then, because I know he has a final, but it's online, and so, yeah, I'll probably just pack, do my own thing until about lunchtime. We'll probably get lunch together, and probably hang out for the day. I'll study later, because I have a final tomorrow, but it's Spanish, and that's my minor, and I'm good at it. It's not that hard for me, and I'm making a 97 in the class, so I'm not really that worried. I'll probably study a little bit just to make sure I have everything down for like 5 minutes, and then I should be good to go. As you can see, everything is just a mess. Everything is so like, I've already brought some stuff back home already, so I have just all this random stuff everywhere. I still need to do the kitchen and the bathroom, so yeah. My desk is such a mess, and I have so many like snacks laying around. I have like almonds and M&Ms and Cheetos that I need to eat before tomorrow. so I have done my makeup now. I did not get as much packing done as I wanted to because I got a little distracted, but it's okay. I have plenty of time. It's about 12. I have something in the microwave, I can't see. I think it's about 12, so I'm currently making lunch, and then I'm probably gonna go over to Gavin's and we're gonna eat and then hang out. I'll probably pack up a little bit, have him help me move things into my car, help me load my car, and yeah. Hey guys, so I hope you can hear me. It's really windy outside. Also, I'm looking a little rough because I just showered and I'm packing, so it's a lot later in the day. It's around 8:30 p.m. and I am going to get my car to pack some stuff into it, just go ahead and load some stuff because I still have some time tomorrow to pack, but because I check out tomorrow at 1:15. So basically, since I last recorded, I was going to get lunch with Gavin, and we ended up eating lunch and then just kind of hanging out for the rest of the day because this is our last full day together. So we just kind of took it easy, played some video games, and hung out. So I'm in my car now, if you can't tell, and I'm so sorry that the lighting is so bad and the quality is pretty bad. I'm just filming on my phone in my car. So basically we just hung out all day, and then we got dinner, and I came back, I showered, and he's at work right now. I started some laundry, and now I went to my car so that I can bring it back and load some stuff in there, get some things started, and then tomorrow I'm going to finish loading up everything into my car. I don't have as much to load just because I went back home to my parents' house like last weekend just to bring some stuff. I also still have one final tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., but I don't really feel like I have to study that much for it, so I'm either going to, after I finish loading and packing things into my car, I'm either going to study tonight. Because Gavin works, he's an RA, and so he's doing like a desk shift right now, and so I'll probably, what I usually do is come like just hang out with him at his desk shift and study there, do homework there. So I'll probably either study there tonight for a little bit or just wait until the morning and like study right before class, because I don't really have to do much for this. So it's a pretty easy rest of the day / tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow's going to be pretty busy. And so tomorrow before class probably I'm going to return my textbooks because I still haven't done that, and I would rather do that before like my day starts just to get it out of the way, and then take my test, and then load the rest of my stuff, and then eat lunch, check out, and then I have my appointment to get my eyebrows and eyelashes tinted at 2:15, and then after that I will go home. Also, I just want to talk about the eyebrow and eyelash tint really fast. I've never done anything like this, so I'm super excited. I have pretty, I guess, fair eyebrows and eyelashes, especially on this side. I feel like, again, this lighting is terrible, but the tail on this eyebrow is like super blonde, so it's all just blonde and not always noticeable, so I'm just gonna do it. It lasts like a month, and I'll talk about it more tomorrow after I get it done or while I'm there. So yeah, I'm excited. It was kind of not impulsive, but it was something that I have been thinking about for a while, and I decided I want to do it before I leave for Costa Rica. Again, if you don't know, I'm studying abroad this summer for Costa Rica, and so I want to do it now to see if I like it, and then do it again if I do like it right before I leave, so that I don't really have to bring makeup with me, because that would be super nice. Alright, so I came back to my room and I've been loading stuff in my car, and then Gavin got a break from work, so we went to Panda Express just for him to get some dinner because he was feeling hungry, and I'm back in my room. I am packing. I still have so much to pack. So I got a lot done. There's a lot that still needs to be like put away. I need to take that down. So I have a lot of the stuff is already packed, and a lot of it's in my car also. These are all cleaned out. These are going to go in the car tomorrow. I still need to put some of my food up. But yeah, for the most part, I'm gonna eat these potatoes tomorrow. I need to put things away. I have so many things out still. So yeah. This is the state of the bathroom. Hello. Still got a lot to put away. I actually haven't even started on the bathroom. So yeah, I have a lot to do tonight. It is 10 o'clock. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to get this done. Probably gonna work on it for about maybe another hour or 30 minutes and then be done for today. Okay, so I know it's really dark and I hope you can hear me because I don't have my headphones in, but it's about 11:30 now. I have gotten a lot of packing done. I've been making a lot of trips to my car with a lot of stuff, and I'm doing it alone because Gavin's working right now. So my back hurts, my arm hurts, arms hurt, and I live on the 3rd floor with no elevators. So basically, I'm exhausted. And so it's 11:30. I have a final at 8 in the morning. And yeah, I don't really need to study, but I need some sleep. So I think what I'm going to do is Gavin still has about 30-45 minutes left on his shift, so I think I'm just going to go hang out with him during his shift and study for my test tomorrow, because it's just a little bit of time and you know he'll be there, so it's not super boring. And my room is like a mess. There's like boxes and bags everywhere. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm walking back to my dorm and I will probably see you guys tomorrow, or I actually might put a little bit here of me studying. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, ooh.
Okay.
A bug just like fell from the ceiling and now it's like falling on, it's on my table. Ah! That was weird. My allergies are kicking my butt this morning. Really, they've been kicking my butt for like the past 3 days. But this morning, I woke up and my face looks like this. So, I have allergy medicine. I brought it with me and I'm gonna take it when I get some water. But for right now, my eyes are like really red and my nose is running really bad. I'm swinging. It's so pretty outside. There's so many birds. So I'm just hanging out, you know, looking how pretty it is, and I look over and there are 2 squirrels trying to do it over there, and they're just chasing each other. Oh no. It's kind of cute, but you know, it's spring. Hey guys, I am back from taking my last final. So I took that at 8 a.m. I think you saw me this morning when I was walking to it. And then after my final, I returned my textbooks, did a few more errand things that were just really quick. And then I went to Starbucks and got myself a like passion fruit lemonade tea. It's really good. And I got a lemon loaf for Gavin. I went and stopped by Gavin's place to give him that because he really likes them. And then I kind of ended up staying there a lot longer than I expected. And we actually kind of took a little nap because this is our last day together and I won't see him for about a month. Ignore my messy hair. And I know I was wearing this shirt yesterday. I was wearing a different one earlier when I took my test. But since I'm going to be packing stuff up and walking and it's hot outside, I'm just changing into this one for now just because it's just to get it gross. It's now almost 11 a.m. It's about 10:40. And so what I'm going to do right now is finish packing up some of the biggest things. Everything is basically packed. So I'm going to finish up packing and then Gavin and I are going to go get my car and start loading it. And then after we load everything, I think we're going to get lunch. Then after lunch, I'm checking out, and I should be good to go. As you can see, mostly everything is packed. I mean, like what's here is basically all that's left. I need to put my fridge and my fridge and my microwave in my car. Kitchen's basically done, and then I need to finish putting my toiletries and stuff up. I am running so late right now. I'm in a huge rush. I will make it short because the next time you see me, I will have tinted eyebrows and eyelashes. I just checked out of my dorm. I've packed everything. I am done. I moved out. And then Gavin and I got lunch and I said goodbye to him just now because I won't see him for about a month. And now I am going to, oh shoot, my appointment. Guys, look at my eyebrows and my eyelashes. They are so, oh my gosh, they're so dark now. That is so weird. It looks like I actually have eyebrows. That is so cool. I can't tell as much with my eyelashes just like in this lighting. I just got back. Sorry, I'm like raving about it. So I just got out of my appointment. I have all my like stuff back here. So, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited about this. That is so cool. Anyway, yeah, just got out of the appointment. Let me turn the air down. I just got out of my appointment and looks good. What time is it? It's 2:50. I was there for about 45 minutes. Super excited. I've never done anything like this before. I can't stop like looking at myself. Ah! I've always had really fair eyelashes and eyebrows and just like I guess hair in general. It's not like super light, but I've had very fair and light hair, especially in my eyebrows, so it's really cool to see this. Okay, so I'm gonna stop going on about this. I might make a video specifically about the tint, the eyebrow and eyelash tint and the process and my experience with it. But for now, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have taken all my finals, I've packed up, I'm moving out. All I'm doing the rest of today is driving back home, which is about 2 hours, and then unpack, unload, shower, eat dinner. So it's almost 3 right now, it's 2:50. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and tagging along. I hope I did an okay job at vlogging my week, and definitely expect more vlogs from me in the future. I'm super excited about this, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.